Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a server on NordVPN. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up NordVPN from your phone or computer. Now, once you're in here, all you got to do basically is select from one of the fastest servers right here if you want faster speeds. Okay, for example, I wanted to connect to the fastest one, maybe United States. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and automatically you'll be landed to one of a United States server. Now, if you want to be more specific, which state you wanted to connect to United States, you can just go ahead over to all locations right here, look for United States, or use the search bar, find United States. Just for example, this one, click on it, and as you can see here, we have the fastest server available. Or you can just go ahead and choose to use, for example, Chicago right here. Click on it, and automatically it will be connected and it will say secure. And after that, you're good to go. And another way to change a server is by opening up the map. Click on this icon. You can scroll down to zoom out, scroll up to zoom in. Let's go ahead and connect to the Philippines right here. Just click on it, switch location. And once that's done, you're good to go as well. And that's how simple it is to change a server on NordVPN. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.